How to view and manage installed apps in Google Play Store. This tutorial will show you how to view and manage installed apps in the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap on the Manage tab. Here, you'll see a complete list of the apps installed on your phone. From this page, you can see Recently Updated, tap on it, sort apps by name, size, or recently updated, and select one or multiple apps to uninstall if you no longer need them. You can also tap on any app to view its details, check for available updates, or open its Play Store page for more information. That's how you can easily view and manage installed apps in the Google Play Store, making it simple to organize your apps and free up storage when needed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials, hidden features, and useful smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.